Like, what is going on?
East African queen, call you my cinnamon girl. Sweet like grandma cobbler. Look at that girl posture.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cleaning my room video because my room was just turned into a mess. So I know there's something therapeutic about watching people clean their room. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. You guys a rundown of what my room looks like right now and the situation going on. So this is my closet area. Yeah, that's all the laundry I need to do. My closet is looking a little out of order, but we're gonna fix that. And then my desk, I don't even know where to put half of this stuff. We have my vision board that I tried to put up and it ripped my walls off. So I was mad and I left that alone. So my desk and my, like, a bunch of boxes from my ring light that I got like how many months ago, which is just here. So I need to go throw those out. And then my bed, these are clean clothes that I need to fold and then make my sheets too. There's me, what it do, in my little Mama Africa outfit. Yeah, this, my makeup corner, just needs to be organized. It's giving me anxiety right now. And a bunch of stuff that I need to get rid of. So let's get to it. So first, I think I'm just gonna fold all of these clothes and get them out of the way so I can make my bed. Making progress. Folded my clothes. We got the sweaters, pants, shirts. These need to be hung. Just don't mind my weave. I did it, y'all. A desk is clean now. to the disaster over here. This is my hair corner. Anything hair, you name it, is in here. Wigs, weaves, extensions, every color, braids, everything is in there. And that's just how I feel about it. shape. Dang, I'm sweating. Okay, so I just need to sweep my floor. Best part about my room is that there's no carpet because I hate vacuuming. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. I hope it motivated you guys to clean your room, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.